I have bought the AirPod Pro Generation 2s and it is a significant improvement. So let's unbox this together. Pretty much everything is the same to be honest, but there is significant improvements within this compared to the Generation 1s, and the reason I am actually upgrading is because I have dropped my Gen 1s several times, and now with the right AirPod, what actually happens is it does static, it's very annoying, and if you drop something or a loud noise happens, then I got static. As much as I love these, I wanted to upgrade to the Gen 2s, and these technically being broken gave me more of a reason to actually do so. So let's quickly open it up. Honestly, it's nothing special. Packaging is all same. So coming straight out of the box, you got the same design and you've got the actual AirPods themselves. It's exactly the same. Besides, you got this lanyard loop right here. You have this lanyard loop which allows you to attach it to, let's say, a backpack or your purse, and it's fairly simple. Besides that, everything on the case is pretty much the same. You get a charger which is the standard lightning to USB-C, so that's cool. At least they didn't cheap out and not include that. And of course you have your three sizes: large, medium and small. Now I'm already going to swap these out for the small ones because I personally have small ears, so let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, the case is very relatively same, nothing special. Opening it up, it's just like so. And to simply connect, all you have to do is open this, open your phone, and now you have connected to your AirPods. Simply say connect, and after that's done, and the good thing is it comes with about half the battery life, so 64% on the actual case and about 50% on each AirPod. And just like so, if I have connected it saying that AirPod Pro's Gen 2 is connected. So it's very simple. Not really anything special to talk about. So the major improvements of the AirPod Gen 2s over the AirPod Pro Gen 1s is that it has 2 times better noise cancellation and better transparency mode, as well as now you have a feature when they're in your ears. If you swipe down, then you can turn the volume down, same concept as for swiping up. And you have all your basic features, so I'm not going to run through them because that will bore you, but everything is same besides those key elements. Like I said, better battery life and improved noise cancellation, as well as transparency mode, so you can hear things better, such as loud things that are important, like let's say police for example. And these allows up to 6 hours of playtime, and the actual case itself has up to 30 hours of battery life, so you can probably charge them about 4 or 5 times and you should be good. A new feature is that if you have a Apple charger and you want to charge your AirPods, you can just simply click and connect and it pings and it's just working just fine. Or if you want to, like me, I will honestly just use the cable because it's a billion times faster, and I will probably always do it that way instead of doing something like QI charging. Now I'm going to swap the current earbuds for the smaller buds just because of how my ears are. Now just for comparison, on the left I have the Gen 2s, on the right I have the Gen 1s, and as you can see, the Gen 2s, the transparency ports are actually smaller, and on the Gen 1s they are bigger, but other than that everything is pretty much same size case and everything besides the lanyard loop. And the feature that this can do MagSafe, while this one can't do MagSafe, and this one hasn't got a lanyard loop. Now quite honestly, I don't see myself using the lanyard loop feature because I just have no reason for it, but you might like that. Correction, you actually have now got extra small instead of medium, now it's small, and large is just large. So before, I believe that you had a small, medium, large, or small, medium, extra large. And the standards that came on were medium, which is the same case for this one. But I'm just going to stick my smalls in though. And now these are relatively same. As you can see, the backs are pretty normal. Meanwhile, the actual insides, these are a little bit smaller. The providers openings and up top the providers for the transparency mode are also pretty normal. So sticking them in my ear, I might need to go from wow, okay, the noise cancellation is actually good. Not saying that the Gen 1s were bad or anything, but it's definitely an improvement. I can already hear it. So if we tap and hold, now we have gone into transparency mode and I can very clearly hear myself. The thing is, with Gen 1s, what I found out is that sometimes when I go into transparency mode, my voice is a little bit muffled, but with these ones it seems totally fine right now. And if we go back, I have some music playing. That's pretty good. It's nice. I'm not a bass head or anything, but it sounds pretty good right now. And the drop is about to happen. It's very good. So, transparency mode, it sounds really good. I'm listening to Given Taken by Anything, which is a K-pop group. Yes, I listen to K-pop. But now if we go into transparency mode, we are now in transparency mode. I can barely hear myself. And we play some music. You can definitely feel it in your ears. So you definitely feel immersed. And that is actually very impressive. I like these. These are good. So for the actual price of these, I picked these up at JB Hi-Fi, which is like Australia's Best Buy, for $400. And if you want to get these, they will be provided in the link in the description below. But now you also got the feature of being able to actually control music by swiping. So if I want to turn it down, I swipe down, and so when you swipe down, you hear a little sound. It's pretty good. So each time you swipe down, it's a little dunk dunk dunk. So you can clearly hear it. It's not noise piercing or anything. It's just very subtle. And other than that, let's actually test out the Find My Phone feature. So as you know, if you're an iPhone user, you have the choice to find my phone or find your AirPods or whatever it may be. So currently I am looking and we have not yet picked up the AirPod Pro Gen 2s. So let me actually, so if we look on the bottom, as we can see some speakers. This allows for a higher pinging sound when you're actually trying to find your AirPod Pros, as well as it can actually tell you when it's fully charged. It lets off a little ping, so I'm going to go test that. So currently for me, the Find My feature for AirPods is actually struggling, so currently I can't test that out. But I am going to be trying these out for a full week and see what I actually come to the conclusion of if it's worth $400 or if it's even worth upgrading, because generally I love the idea of the AirPod Gen 1s, and if you want to get this case, I literally bought it from Apple. $40, not worth it honestly, just buy a third party, but get a case for your AirPods. I definitely recommend it, even if it's third party, or if you want to spend the extra money, go through Apple to get either skin or a case. I prefer cases just because of the protection. And other than that, I am generally happy with this, and let's test that for a week and see how it goes. If there's any specific things you want to know about the AirPod Pro Gen 2s, then leave that in the comments below, because I would definitely get back to you on that. And other than that, if you have not already, remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you want to get the AirPod Pro Gen 2s, currently I like them and I've only been playing them with obviously for about 2 minutes. But if you want to go get them, it'll be a affiliate link for Amazon, the link below, and that'll be much appreciated if you go and check. I will come back next week, so it will be Friday next week, and it will be a week-long video, and I will say my thoughts and opinions about the AirPod Pro Gen 2s after a week of use. Tap on screen for another video, and have a good day.